Hello everyone, this side Samaria here, the eccentric entrepreneur guys, presenting to you all today the amazing opportunity to invest with me for the longer run guys. Again, there are going to be a couple of factors of course, so I would highly request you to all of you who are going to watch this video first of all, कहीं आई कार्ड पे या डिस्क्रिप्शन में एक डिस्क्लेमर का वीडियो होगा या फिर आई कैन जस्ट गिव यू सिंपल लिंक दैट इज bit.ly/samaria d. ठीक है, दैट इज द लिंक टू दिस डिस्क्लेमर गाइज. सो ऑल ऑफ यू हु आर एवर गोइंग टू गेट अटैच्ड विद दिस लाइक एनीथिंग फॉर द फ्यूचर इन्वेस्टमेंट्स or like say trading or whatever it is, right, with me, these are the disclaimers that you need to understand first of all. Okay, now let us just talk about some stock market thing. Okay, see guys, I'll be very frank with you. Of course, I've been into the market for such a long time, and if you are actually watching this video, if you are like attached or if you have seen this video from any of the groups, maybe from Telegram, WhatsApp or YouTube or LinkedIn, any platforms, if you are watching this video guys, the only reason why I'm shooting this video and I'm making it public is because so that you can understand the idea of investing. Okay guys, मैं सिंपल से कब से अपने कुछ रूल्स के ऊपर फोकस कर रहा हूँ दैट इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू इन्वेस्ट इन द मार्केट. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ योर पोर्टफोलियो दैट यू गोइंग टू इन्वेस्ट with a total of 1 lakh rupees, total allocation is going to be in the capital markets of equity, right? You are never supposed to guys invest more than 5% to 6% in one single stock basically. ठीक है, आपका 5% से ज़्यादा 6% तक ऑलमोस्ट आपका एक स्क्रिप्ट में आपका मैक्सिमम कैपिटल होना चाहिए जितना भी आपको टोटल इन्वेस्ट करना है. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई एम गोइंग टू इन्वेस्ट से 1 lakh rupees टोटल इन द मार्केट, आई शुड नॉट इन्वेस्ट एंड आई मस्ट नॉट इन्वेस्ट मोर देन 5,000 to 6,000 rupees in that particular script, okay, or the stock. Okay, that is a fundamental thumb rule. Second override to this rule is, for example, if I am having a strong conviction, boss, no matter whatever happens, this is the futuristic growth company. Okay, so this is surely going to go up. Okay, in such high conviction stocks, I personally actually tell you, to invest only 10%. Okay, like of your 1 lakh rupees of portfolio, the maximum amount that you're going to invest is 10,000 rupees, guys. That is all. Okay. Now the only purpose of making this video as of now is guys, like you must already be aware that like the inflation is going up and the banks are already reducing the interest rates. The banks basically annual interest rate is hardly like 1.5 to 2% only, right? It has declined by RBI as well, okay, because of the inflation and recent coronavirus incidents during the pandemic worldly. And mutual funds are already giving like say 7%, 10%, 15% rewards. Okay, it is not going to be any different. I'll be very frank with you. Okay, what I am expecting is to get at least minimum on an annual basis like 20 to 25%. Okay, CAGR guys. Okay, that is what I'm expecting. Because एक चीज़ मैं आपको सिंपल सी लाइक मुंह पे बोल दूंगा बॉस, मार्केट ऑफ कोर्स रिस्की रहेगा. ओके, सो इवन इफ यू आर ट्रेडर, इफ यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग, always have this thing in your mind clearly that boss, market is going to be volatile of course. Okay, so there will be some ups and downs. Okay, and if you're going to get associated in this market, of course you should be able to bear losses before getting the profits. Okay, only if you are okay with that terms, then only invest. This is a simple quotation that I have. And if you have already watching my results for such a long time in Telegram or WhatsApp or anywhere, right, you can already see that boss, I do make profits, I do make losses as well. Okay, and this entire amount which I am gonna ever like allocate from all of you who are actually interested, right, this is all going to be into the portfolio management system, that is PMS schemes, and that is first of all illegal in the India. Okay, as of now no one is allowed, like not an unregistered person, and let me be very frank here, I am not a SEBI registered person, I should not be doing it. Okay, but only I am doing this thing because like I have some vision as of now, and I am really expecting and I am really hoping that in the coming next 5 to 10 years guys, India is going to be very, like you have no idea guys where it is going to go ahead. Okay, so मैं कब से बोल रहा हूँ, मेरा भारत सोने की चिड़िया दोबारा उस खिताब को पहुँचेगा, एंड अगेन इंशाल्लाह देखते हैं कितनी जल्दी वो चीज़ होती है. ओके, द ओनली पॉइंट इज, आर यू गोइंग टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट और नॉट? बिकॉज गंगा तो बहेगी भैया, बट आपको उसमें हाथ धोने के नहीं धोने, ये आपके ऊपर है. ठीक है, coming back to the point guys, originally the incident starts from like how and what are the like what's and ifs, okay, of this entire program. So guys, the minimum investment that you are supposed to make is 7,000 rupees, and the maximum investment I will be taking from a single person is only 70,000 rupees. Okay, that is a simple rule. The locking period, okay, just like you do like say 5,000, 10,000 rupees FDs right in bank accounts, similarly there is going to be a minimum locking period of 25 months, that is almost 2 years nearby that. Okay, अभी इसके पीछे की रीजंस है गाइस. ठीक है, बिकॉज अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग, इक्विटी मार्केट्स फ्लो इन सम डिफरेंट मैनर्स. ओके, मेरा सिंपल सा रूल आपको पता है कि आपको किसी भी स्टॉक में अगर इन्वेस्टमेंट करना है लंबे समय के लिए, 5 साल का मेरा मिनिमम टाइम है, ओके। आई हैव अ मिनिमम टाइम स्लॉट ऑफ 5 years, बट स्टिल आई एम कीपिंग इट टू द मिनिमम गाइस, लाइक जस्ट 2 years, नियर बाय 25 months, दैट इज द होल टाइम पीरियड. Within that time period, whatever the returns are there, if you want to take your money out, you can take it out, okay, with whatever the returns it will be. And the minimum I'm expecting is 20 to 25%, okay, annual returns, okay. This is what I'm expecting. It is just an expectation. The rewards can exceed further and rewards can be lesser than that as well, okay. That is why I'm telling you, only come if you trust me and only come if you have some foundations कि भैया मार्केट में अगर आप काम कर रहे हो कुछ देर से, अगर आपको लगता है कि मैं कुछ आपको रिजल्ट्स दे सकता हूँ, तभी काम करना. बिकॉज मैं आपको एक चीज़ गारंटीड नहीं लिख रहा हूँ, ठीक है, कोई यहाँ पे सीधी सी चीज़ आप एक समझो. बिकॉज देर इज नो गारंटीज इन दी मार्केट, ओके. मार्केट कैन क्रैश, मार्केट कैन गो सीरियसली वेरी हाई, बट अगेन I'm just trying to give you a vision, boss, where India is headed, okay. So considering those facts, first of all, whatever the amount I will be getting, I will be dividing those amounts into 60/40 ratio. 60% of the amounts will be going into good stocks, quality stocks. 40% is totally going to be into penny stocks. The reason why I am doing this drastic change of portfolio diversification is because now is the time for the smaller companies to grow, and believe me, you have no idea what is the potential, okay. मैं आपको एक चीज़ बता रहा हूँ सिंपली, द परसेंटेज ऑफ रिटर्न एनुअली विच वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग, ओके, इज 25% to 20 to 25%, राइट. 5 साल तक अगर आप रुक जाओगे उस कंपनीज में. आपने मेरे ऑलरेडी पेनी स्टॉक्स देखे हैं कि नहीं देखे हैं, आपको पता होगा, लाइक दोज हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन 100%, 200, इवन 300% रिवॉर्ड्स देन दैट, राइट. वो कम समय में आए हैं, बट जस्ट थिंक अबाउट इट, इफ यू आर होल्डिंग दोज कंपनीज फॉर द मैक्सिमम 3 or 4 or 5 years, राइट, व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी द फ्यूचर. थिंक अबाउट इट, ओके. Lupin was not made in a single day. MRF is not reached like 80,000 rupees in a single day. Eicher Motor was not made in a single day, boss. तो अगर आपको इतना बड़ा रिटर्न चाहिए मार्केट में, तो भैया पेशेंस लगेगा, ठीक है. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू एन अपॉर्चुनिटी, दैट इज लाइक इफ यू आर यंग पर्सन, इफ यू आर स्टिल अबाउट टू गेट मैरिड, इफ यू आर स्टिल हैविंग अ किड एज वेल, डजंट मैटर भैया, जब तक आपके बच्चे बड़े होंगे तब तक आपके पास अच्छा पैसा होगा, ठीक है. And you can actually increase investments. You can actually, minimum is 7,000 rupees. 7,000 rupees, less than that there is no amount, okay. And the minimum locking period is also 2.5 years, okay. Sorry, 25 months, that is 2 years, okay. So I'm not guaranteeing anyone anything that I will be giving you chapad for returns. भैया सब कुछ आपके सामने है, मैं बोलने में बिलीव नहीं करता. I like to give you the results, and of course I will try my best. I need not to prove again to anyone, okay. Strictly speaking, last time I traded the things, okay, I was giving the people like 10% monthly rewards, okay, based on the trading parts as well, and it continued for 3 to 4 months, very good.
Hey guys, my name is Sumit and I'm from Bangalore. I never met Savaria before. He's a person from Jalandhar and I got to know about him from a mutual friend and WhatsApp group. He had posted a video where he was promising to give you 10% ROI on your investment. So he was promising, like, if you invest with him, you will get a monthly in return on your investment, which is 10%. So looking at the opportunity, it was a really good opportunity, but at the same time you have doubt in your mind whether he's a genuine person or not. So like I mentioned, I never knew him before and I never met him. So I clicked on the link and saw a few testimonials with proof of payment where a lot of people have received their return on the investment. I inquired with a couple of more mutual friends about him. So they said, yeah, he's a good person and they are also planning to invest with him. So I thought, why not I should also invest. So I invested about 30,000 with him in the month of December, and I thought that was I was expecting a return in the next month. Then suddenly he also had a plan to visit Bangalore and meet some people. So I met him along with few other people, and he's a very good guy, very genuine person, and very fun-loving person. You always like to mingle with him and like his company. And few days back, I got my first ROI, which is 3,000 rupees. 3,000 rupees is a good amount of money. It's like cherry on the cheek.
But I am the kind of guy actually who was predicting the market to go in September upside, okay. And again, I'm just telling you this thing I should not be doing because that is bad for business, okay. But the only reason I'm doing and telling you this thing is because I want to be as much transparent, okay guys. मैं किसी को धोखे में नहीं रखना चाहता हूँ, okay. Let me be very frank here. वो जो आपका स्कीम था उसमें people have invested 50,000, people have invested 1 lakh, okay, with me. Like I was having a corpus amount of nearby 20 to 30 lakhs, nearby that, okay. Believe me guys, I have given everyone's amount, okay, with my all loss nearby around like 18 to 20 lakhs. I bear that loss because in September markets turned around, okay. It fell down drastically. That was not the case that I was expecting, and that was only because I was doing trading, okay. I'm not a hedge fund. Again, understand this thing. I'm a single isolated person, not having a team, of course. Okay, but again, the values that I'm going to give you, and that is all for the CNC term. Okay, and that is why right now, this time, I'm only investing in CNC, no trading at all. Okay, if I will be getting some good trading opportunities with a very favorable risk to reward, then only I'll be doing. Otherwise, not at all. That is why I'm mentioning this clearly here, that this is going to be a total CNC holding period for 5 years, okay, or more than that actually. But the minimum locking period is 25 months, that is two years almost, okay. And the minimum amount that you want to start is 7,000 rupees. Now, what are the returns, guys, you can expect? Since the 60% amount is going to be going into good stocks, like say good stocks, by that what I mean is like say SBI, Tata Chemical, Tata Power, Reliance, like all these companies, okay, like these are the futuristic companies, some large caps, mid caps, small cap, like that, okay. And only 40% amount I'm going to invest in the penny stocks. Now, don't underestimate the power of penny stocks. Again, you have already seen the results, okay. It is all, you know, in front of you, but again, there are a lot of things which you still don't know. That is the timing, boss, okay. So if you believe in me, if you think that you can trust, okay, and if you are only willing to be patient for the coming next 2.5 to 5 or 6 years or 7 years, whatever the time period is going to be, boss, then only invest, okay. मेरा सिंपल सा आपको एक क्वेश्चन है, मैं यहाँ पे किसी के भी पैसे की गारंटी नहीं लेने वाला हूँ, ठीक है. रिस्क रहेगा मार्केट में, हमेशा रहेगा, चाहे आप 1 रुपये लगा रहे हो, चाहे आप 1 करोड़ रुपये लगा रहे हो, उसको हमेशा याद रखना. Second thing is, I will try my, of course, best to give you the maximum results, guys, okay. Third thing is, like, I'm not a SEBI registered person. Make sure you keep this in mind, okay. So if you're going to take part into this, make sure you understand these all terms and conditions, then only take part into that, okay. And again, be patient for the next coming up 2.5 to 5 years or 7 years of time period, okay. And the last but the not least, I truly believe India is going to be the most amazing country in the coming next decade. This has never happened before, okay. It is not going to be happening for the very first time. If you check about India's economy and in you know the futuristic growths, I have already been telling you so many times, China was the world's biggest manufacturer, right? जितने भी companies थे worldwide, यूरोप से हो गए, अमेरिका से हो गए, सभी के manufacturing plants पहले चाइना में थे, ठीक है. And all those opportunities after coronavirus being China the biggest culprit here of the pandemic, right? People are shifting and trusting India, okay. That is why I'm telling you, India is going to be again renowned by the सोने की चिड़िया खिताब, ओके. तो जिन लोगों को भरोसा है मेरे भारत के ऊपर, जिन लोगों को भरोसा है कि भैया मैं आपके फंड्स को कुछ अच्छे से मैनेज कर पाऊंगा, वही लोग आए, ठीक है. इसके अलावा मैं और कुछ बोलना नहीं चाहूँगा. लास्ट वही चीज़ है कि रिस्क रहेगा मार्केट में भैया, चाहे 1 रुपये लगा लो, चाहे 1 करोड़ रुपये लगा लो, टाइम लगेगा, पेशेंस लगेगा. और 25 months इज द मिनिमम टाइम पीरियड फॉर होल्डिंग. एंड अगेन द एनुअल रिटर्न विच आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग इज 20% मिनिमम. And the maximum returns I'm expecting is from 100% to 500%, even 1000% in the penny stocks. That is why I'm keeping a 40% chunk there, okay. That is all, okay. I hope that entire video, whatever I've told you, is making sense to you. If you have any questions, if you have any doubts, please do let me know in the comments, guys. I'll try to help you out, okay. Please make sure you watch the disclaimer as well, okay, because that is very much important, okay. क्योंकि मैं एक चीज़ में बिलीव करता हूँ, बॉस, आई एम स्टिल लर्निंग, ओके. इट्स बीन सो मेनी ईयर्स. मैं आज भी सीख रहा हूँ, मैं कल भी सीखूंगा, जो गलतियाँ करूँगा उनसे और सीखूंगा, ठीक है. बट अगेन एक वही चीज़ है कि लाइक CNC ट्रेड्स रहेंगे यहाँ पे, CNC होल्डिंग रहेंगे यहाँ पे, कोई ट्रेडिंग वाला सिस्टम नहीं रहेगा, या फिर कुछ पोजिशनल ट्रेड्स रहेंगे, ठीक है. दैट इज वॉट आई कैन डू, ओके. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग दैट रिलायंस इज गुड बाय एट से 2100, आई एम गोइंग टू बाय दैट स्टॉक एंड आई विल बी एग्जिटिंग पॉसिबली से 2300, 2400 विद इन like 3, 4, 5 months whenever the profit is going to be coming, right. Some stocks will be like positional trades as well, but there is not going to be any kind of intraday trading, okay. Believe me, I'm assuring you of that. I've learned from my mistakes, okay. That is what I'm telling you. I hope this entire video is like making you enough aware about the things. Last time whatever happened, I will try not to repeat that, because मेरा ना एक सिंपल सा प्रॉब्लम है यार, मेरी तरफ से, और अगर किसी का लॉस होना मेरे को वो बर्दाश्त नहीं होता, ठीक है. तो दैट इज़ ऑल, गाइस. बट अगेन मैं यहाँ पे गारंटी बिल्कुल भी नहीं ले रहा हूँ. मैं यहाँ पे बिल्कुल आपको साफ साफ बोल रहा हूँ, अगर आपको लगे कि भैया नहीं लगाना पैसा, तो बैंक में जाके लगा लो. साल का 2-3%, 7% जितना मिल रहा है उसको लेके खुश रहो, बढ़िया रहेगा, ठीक है. यहाँ पे मैं आपको बिल्कुल कोई छप्पड़ फाड़ रिटर्न्स नहीं देने वाला हूँ, ठीक है. आप एक चीज़ को समझ लो, कम बोल के ज़्यादा आएगा ना, वो बेहतर रहेगा, ठीक है. लॉजिकल बात लगती है. बट अगर आपको मैं ज़्यादा बोल दूंगा, आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑलरेडी बहुत ज़्यादा होगी, अगर उससे कम आएगा ना, फिर यार वो दुखता है, आई नो दैट, ठीक है. तो सिर्फ उतने की चाहत करो जितना मैं आपको दे सकूं. रिजल्ट्स आपने ऑलरेडी देखे हो टेलीग्राम में, अगर नहीं देखे यू कैन ऑलरेडी चेक एंड स्वाइप माई रिजल्ट्स, ओके. बाकी अगेन आपके सामने सब कुछ लाइक साफ रहेगा, ठीक है. अगेन आई हाईली रिकमेंड यू, इफ़ यू आर सीरियस अबाउट दिस, प्लीज़ मेक श्योर यू आर गोइंग टू इन्वेस्ट फॉर मिनिमम 5 years अगेन, ओके. 2.5 साल का जो 25 months का या 2 years का पीरियड है, दैट इज जस्ट फॉर पीपल लाइक हु आर वेरी इम्पेशेंट अगेन. बट अगेन वो भी इसलिए है क्योंकि minimum less than 2 years it is not going to be working at any cost. Okay, let me be very frank here, I'm not trading here, I'm again telling you I'm doing CNC trades, and it will take at least some time, right? So I hope that entire video, whatever I've told you, it is making sense to you. If it is making sense, it is good. Otherwise, no problem, man. No hard feelings. If you are okay to invest, you can invest. You can contact me. Okay, you know where to contact. That is bit.ly/samvariaw, and make sure when you contact, you mention your name, your place, your amount that you're okay to invest. Okay, and the time period, like minimum is 25 months. Maximum, you also let me know how much you are going to invest. And if you're planning to invest in SIP mode, guys, you are more than welcome, simply speaking. Okay, एक चीज़ आपको मैं बता देता हूँ, like the stocks which of course I'm going to be selecting, those are going to be like highly researched stocks as per my limited knowledge. Okay, I'm not guaranteeing here again, but उसके ऊपर जो returns आएंगे ना, वो उसी को मिलेंगे जो लंबे समय तक टिकेगा. ठीक है, और लंबे समय के लिए, by that what I mean is minimum 5 years to 10 years. That is all I'm asking. Okay, so if you believe again lastly, then only invest. Otherwise, bye bye. Banks, पता है ना वहाँ पे जाओ. That is all, guys. I hope I have been able to clear all of your queries. Hello everyone, I'm coming here again. So, well, it's been 30 minutes. I have watched my entire video 3 or 4 times on a fast forward mode, and I feel कुछ ना कुछ इसमें ना कमी रह गई है. और जो मैं तड़का लगाता हूँ ना इसमें वो रह गया. So, I just want to sweeten up the deal, guys. I don't know why I'm doing this. There are only 2 deals, okay, which you can take. 1 out of 2, okay. So my basic mentorship program, guys, that cost nearby 35,000, okay, and that is like a 90 days program plus 1 year of mentorship support system as well. Okay, मतलब आपको लगे कि आपको 1 साल के अंदर कुछ भी सीखना है दोबारा, या नहीं से समय लगी ये चीज़, you can actually revise at any point, doesn't matter. Okay, and again, that is not for the 1 year people who have actually attached with me. They know that they can contact me anytime. Okay, some people are actually been contacting me after 3 or 4 years later as well. It doesn't matter. Okay, it is actually the kind of bond that you will be, you know, making with me. Okay, the more information you want, of course, I'll be readily giving you. Doesn't matter. Okay, second thing is, like, the basic is 35k. The F&O segment, okay, guys, that I teach, that is a 70k program. Okay, yes, it is indeed a 70k program, and it is only for 3 days, because everything, the basic fundamentals, price sections, the behavior, the psychological analysis, everything is taught to you over this 90 days of program. Okay, in the basics, and whatever the remaining important crux things for the options and futures are, those are being taught to you, you know, during the F&O segment classes. Okay, now combining these both programs, you know, will cost you more than 1 lakh rupees. So I'm getting you a sweet deal here. Those of you who will be making the payment 77k, okay, for this long term investment, they will be getting a lifetime membership free of cost. Okay, I repeat again, the basic program plus F&O segment, you will be getting a lifetime free deal. Okay, everything जो भी मेरे को आता है मैं सब कुछ आपको सिखाऊंगा. The only investment that you going to make is 77,000. Along with that, guys, the time period that you will be bound with this program is minimum of 7 years. Okay, the investment part. The 25 months is the period for the people who are impatient. But again, आपको मैं बार बार बोल रहा हूँ, 5 साल से 10 साल के लिए इन्वेस्टमेंट का मैं सोच रहा हूँ. ठीक है, अगर आपको लगता है कि भैया आपको मार्केट में इन्वेस्ट करना है, और मैं अगर आपका पैसा अच्छे से इन्वेस्ट कर पाऊंगा ऑन दोज क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स विच आई फील आर गोइंग टू बी द सुपर डार्क हॉर्सेज ऑफ द नेक्स्ट जनरेशंस, सो आप इस चीज़ को सीख सकते हो और समझ सकते हो. ठीक है, the second offer, either you can take this lifetime membership, okay, that is including the how I basically do trading and all those things. Second thing is, I will tell you my secret, how do I select the stocks. This is the most important. Okay, and again, this will include everything. Okay, from the penny stocks to the stocks which are being taken up by the mutual funds as well. Okay, believe me, that is the most important aspect. ठीक है, आप एक चीज़ समझ के देखो, अगर कोई म्यूचुअल फंड पैसा लगा रहा है किसी स्टॉक में, वो पागल तो नहीं है ना, क्योंकि उसको तो पता है भैया यहाँ से पैसे कमा के देने उसको पब्लिक को. ठीक है, तो अगर वो किसी चीज़ में पैसा लगा रहा है भैया, आपको उसके साथ चलना पड़ेगा, उसको देखना पड़ेगा, उसको ट्रैक करना पड़ेगा. तो वो लोग कैसे, उनके फाइनेंशियल जो उनकी टीम है, उनको हम कैसे अपने लिए उसका यूज़ कर सकते हैं, ये भी मैं आपको सिखाऊंगा. ठीक है, तो आपके पास 2 अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं. फर्स्ट इज, you can actually make the 77k payment for this actually 7 years of minimum investment cycle. The locking period is going to be 7 years, guys. Investment is going to be 77,000, and you will be getting entirely future and options and basics, everything which is going to cost you more than 1 lakh rupees plus of fees, absolutely free. Or second thing is, you will be getting, if you want, you can actually learn how do I select the stocks. द पेनी स्टॉक्स एंड ऑल द स्टॉक्स फॉर द फ्यूचरिस्टिक इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, ठीक है। आप दोनों में से किसी भी एक डील को सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो, आपके ऊपर है, ठीक है। सो एंड अगेन एक और चीज़ मैं उसमें भूल के वीडियो में बोलना, इन्वेस्टमेंट का आपका जो पैसा रहेगा राइट 70 + 40 का, 40 इज गोइंग टू बी फॉर दी पेनी स्टॉक्स एंड 70 इज गोइंग टू बी फॉर दिस जो नॉर्मल स्टॉक्स आपके रहेंगे राइट। उसमें 70% में से आईपीओज में भी मैं इन्वेस्ट करूंगा, ठीक है, जो आजकल नए आईपीओज आ रहे हैं, ठीक है। अगर मेरे को लगता है कि किसी आईपीओ का आने वाला भविष्य बहुत सुनहरा होने वाला है, जैसे सोना के बारे में मैं बोल रहा था आपको, श्याम मेटेलिक्स के बारे में हमने बात की थी, किम्स के बारे में बात की थी राइट, दूधला के बारे में बात की थी, मतलब कि जो आईपीओज मेरे को लगते हैं कि भैया आपको या तो लिस्टिंग गेन दे सकते हो, उसमें से लिस्टिंग गेन लेके निकल जाएंगे। कुछ आईपीओज रहेंगे इसमें से मतलब कि जो आपको फ्यूचरिस्टिक लॉन्ग टाइम के लिए शर्तियाँ होल्ड करने वो भी काम करेंगे। मतलब अगेन अल्टीमेटली बात ये है भैया, मैं whatever the amount I will be getting from all of you, right, I will try my best to give you the best returns guys, that is like I can offer you, okay, and I but again एक चीज़ गारंटी नहीं लूँगा मैं, ठीक है, क्योंकि अगेन मार्केट है भैया, ठीक है, मार्केट में मार्केट के साथ चलना होता है। एक चीज़ का आपको यहाँ पे एश्योरेंस दूंगा, द ओनली बिगेस्ट एडवांटेज दैट यू विल बी हैविंग हियर विद मी इज गाइज, व्हेन यू इन्वेस्ट इन सम म्यूचुअल फंड्स राइट, a mutual fund manager, and the difference between me will be I know when the market is falling I need to exit with a lesser loss, whereas the mutual funds will not be exiting their funds, okay. That is the biggest disadvantage that you will be having with the mutual funds. I am not prioritizing me on mutual funds, but again I am just telling you कि भैया अगर आपको पता है यहाँ से मार्केट और नीचे गिरेगा तो पहले क्यों नहीं निकल रहे हो, ठीक है। मैं हर बार बोलता हूँ, ऊपर से जब स्टॉक नीचे गिरना शुरू होगा आपको नहीं पता कहाँ से नीचे से घूमेगा, पताल लोक से घूमेगा जाके कि क्या होगा, ठीक है। किसी को पता नहीं था येस बैंक जो कोरोना के टाइम में लाइक अपना उससे पहले एक्चुअली 300 रुपये का हाई मारा था, उस टाइम पे किसी को नहीं पता होगा कि भैया कोरोना के टाइम पे 5 रुपये का लो लगा के आएगा। किसी को अगर पता होता 2 साल 3 साल पहले तो क्या उसमें बंदा इन्वेस्ट करता, नहीं करता ना। तो भैया यही चीज़ है, आपको पता होनी चाहिए कि कहाँ पे निकलना है। और मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ इट इज़ ऑलवेज बेटर टू टेक द लेसर लॉस रादर देन बीइंग अ फुलिश एंड बीइंग egoistic person and holding the stocks, holding the wrong stocks, okay, at the wrong time। इन्वेस्टमेंट का मौका दोबारा मिलेगा भैया कर लूँगा, ठीक है, बट अगेन लॉस ज़्यादा नहीं लेने वाला हूँ मैं, ठीक है। तो आपके लिए बस यही एक फाइनल एक सोने पे सुहागा वाली डील थी, ठीक है, जिसका लेनी है गाइज दे कैन एक्चुअली गो फॉरवर्ड एंड द सेम minimum benefits will already be there। 7,000 is the minimum investment if you want to invest, okay, and yeah, 25 months is the locking period for the people who are impatient, and with the annual CAGR I'm expecting nearby 20 to 25%, that is what I am sure of I can at least give from the market, okay, बट अगेन गारंटी नहीं है भैया किसी भी चीज़ की, ठीक है। तो ये सारी की सारी चीज़ों का आपका ख्याल करना पड़ेगा। दैट इज ऑल गाइज, दिस साइड समरी फाइनली गोइंग ऑफ, बाय बाय।